somebody is that internal catalyst. You use that word. I love that. I think that's such an appropriate word. What is the catalyst for change? And there has to be, the salesperson aids in that process and helps kind of shape that. But there's got to be that internal catalyst as well.
That's right. Now, for the champion, there is also one characteristic, is that they need to be influential, they need to be respected and credible in the account, they need to have access to different people, including the economic buyer. They need to like us, obviously, to be considered as our champion. They need to recommend us. But there is also one last thing, which is sometimes downplayed or ignored, is their personal win. Why does a champion bother? Why does a champion doing this? It's because there is something for them. Usually it's because they will sleep better at night once this problem is solved in the company. Usually it's because, or sometimes it's because they are an ambitious person in the company and they want a good reason to improve things so that they get a promotion or they get a bonus or they are well seen in the company and they can shine and be brilliant there. There is always a reason why people like us, and it goes back to them.